Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I'll show you the phishing website detection using Python. So this will be the about software. It will give the complete information about project. This will be the chatbot. If you click on chatbot, then it will open the new interface. This will be the phishing chatbot. You can change the color theme and also change the font size. Let's do it gray. Hacker. You can also change the font style. Let's write hello. Let's copy that particular URL and click on predict button. So it will take minutes to predict. This is the malicious website which you put URL. If you click on yes, then it will open the website. Let's minimize and remove the URL and paste other URL https://gmail.com and then click on predict. So it will take few minutes. Let's write hello.
How can I help you?
What is phishing?
Phishing is a type of attack carried out in order to steal information or money. Phishing attacks can occur through email, phone calls, texts, instant messaging, or social media. Attackers are after your personal information.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share.